Novelty Health Shine.
I am Dr. Rishikesh Pai, gynecologist and infertility specialist at the Lilavati Hospital, Mumbai, and Fortis Hospital in New Delhi, as well as the D.Y. Patil Medical College in Navi Mumbai. I would like to wish all of you on this auspicious occasion of the 25th of July, which is the World IVF Day. This was the day when many years back, Louis Brown was born in 1978 in Oldham, near the city of London. And since then, nearly 4 to 8 million IVF babies have been born in the world. You know, many people think that IVF should be done for all infertility patients. That's not true. If you are married for 1 year and you don't have a child after 1 year of trying, then that is known as infertility. Majority of the time, the infertility is very easy to treat. About 40% of infertility is due to the male and 40% is due to the female. So what you need to do, if you don't become pregnant in a year's time after you are married, you need to go to your nearest consultant gynecologist, your next door gynecologist, and she will examine you. She'll do your semen test to rule out a male factor. She'll do certain hormone tests, especially nowadays we do thyroid, prolactin, and there is a very important hormone that you need to do, that is called AMH, anti-Mullerian hormone. That is very important, and you need to do a simple ultrasound. So by doing this simple test, we come to know what is the problem, and once we know the problem, it is very easy to treat. In 90% of people, by doing simple medicine treatment, just simple ovulation induction, simple taking the sperm and washing it and putting it into the uterus, it is known as intrauterine insemination, around the time of ovulation, most people achieve pregnancy. So nearly 80% of people will achieve pregnancy by simple methods. Very rarely you may have to do a laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, sometimes there may be a big fibroid or a endometriosis or some adhesions or a hydrosalpingo. So for that you need to do a surgery which is called laparoscopy, which is not a large surgery, it is a minimally invasive surgery. After that, there are 10 to 15% of people who still don't become pregnant. These are the people who need advanced treatment, and they are called test tube baby or IVF, where you take the eggs out of the woman by a simple technique of sonography, vaginal sonography, with a simple needle. It's a very short procedure, takes about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Within 4 hours you can go home. Then you take the husband's sperm, you fertilize the eggs, make the embryos, and after 3 to 5 days, you put the 1 or 2 embryos back into the womb of the uterus, and they become pregnant. And you will be surprised that in 3 attempts of IVF, nearly 90% people achieve pregnancy. So that is very important to note, because you should not think that everyone will become pregnant in the first attempt. So in 3 attempts, 90% people achieve pregnancy, and those who don't achieve pregnancy, let's say after 3-4 attempts, there is always this lovely technique of adoption that is available to you. So don't always focus that. Remember that there are a lot of children, orphans who are there in the world as well, and if you don't become pregnant with your biological eggs, sperms, you can always go for adoption and give a nice home to an orphan child. Again, wishing you all the best in life.
If you know of any couple who are unable to conceive within 12 months of trying, please encourage them to seek help from medical experts. Let the reach of scientific advances in reproductive health spread to all corners of the country and bring joy to all such couples. Is brought to you by Novelty Health Shine.